Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ria Study Circle. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 11 algebraic expressions. So first we have to know what is algebraic expression. In that, let us know about expression. Expression is the terms added or subtracted to form expression, or another definition is single or group of terms combined with the symbols plus or minus is known as expression. Let's take some examples of expressions. 7 plus 5, 24 into 7. These two are the expressions and these two are in constant variables. So, an expression in constant variables is known as numerical expression. Next, another example of expression is 3x or 4x plus 3y. These are the expressions which have at least one or more algebraic variables. Variables of algebraic, whatever it is. Variables of algebraic means it has x and y. So these are known as algebraic expressions. Next one is we have to know what is monomial expression. Binomial expression, and trinomial expressions. It is very simple to know what are these. If an expression have only one term like 3x or 4y or 7, any constant term or 3x or 4y is monomial expression. Next, binomial expression is if an expression have two terms like 3x square plus 7 or 4x square plus 3y. Here 3x square plus 7 are two terms. Here 4x square plus 3y are two terms. So these type of expressions are known as binomial expression. Next, trinomial expression. Same as above, an expression have three terms is known as trinomial expression. For example, 3x cube plus 2x square plus 4x or 3x square plus 4y plus 7. It has three terms, so this is known as trinomial expression. Next one is degree of algebraic expression. Let's see how to know the degree of an algebraic expression. If we take a monomial like 3x square or 4x or 6xy, 5xy square, all these are the examples of monomial expressions. For monomial expressions, we have to find degree of monomial as the sum of all exponents of the variables in a monomial is the degree of monomial. Like here the degree of 3x square is 2 because the power of x is 2. Here the degree of 4x is 1 because the power of x is 1. Here the degree of 6xy is 2 because the power of x is 1 plus the power of y is 1. So the degree of 6xy is 2. Here the degree of 5xy square is the power of x is 1 plus the power of y is 2. So the degree of 5xy square is 3. Next, if we take algebraic expressions, then how do we calculate the degree of expression? Let's see. An algebraic expression is 3x power 4 2x cube 6x square plus 7x plus 8. Here the degree of 3x power 4 is 4 because the power of x is 4. Here the degree of 2x cube is 3 because the power of x is 3. Here the degree of 6x square is 2 because the power of x is 2. Degree of 7x is 1 because the power of x is 1. Here the degree of 8 is 0 because it is constant. In this algebraic expression, the degree of expression is known as 4. So the highest degree among the degree of the different terms of algebraic expression is known as degree of algebraic expression. That means 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. From all these degrees, 4 is highest degree. So the degree of this total algebraic expression is 4. And also, except monomial, binomial, trinomial, we have another one also. What is that means? An expression with one or more terms like this. One or more terms with non-zero coefficient means if we have x, this coefficient is must be non-zero. That means not equal to 0. If we have one or more terms in expression, then that expression is known as multimonial expression. Multimonial expression. Next one is how to find the value of an algebraic expression. Let's see the example. If x equal to 2, then find the value of an algebraic expression 3x plus 5. See the solution for this problem. If x equal to 2, find the value of 3x plus 5. This means we have to substitute x equal to in this equation. Then 3 into, in place of x we have to substitute 2. 2 plus 5. Then 3 2 is 6 plus 5. The answer is 11. So the value of this expression is 11. Similarly, the second example is if a equal to 3, b equal to 0, c equal to 5, then find the value of ax square plus 3ab plus 5 bc. Let's see the solution for this problem. The equation is ax square plus 3ab plus 5bc. Here a equal to 3 whole square plus 3 into a equal to 3 into b equal to 0 plus 5 into b equal to 0 into c equal to 5. 3 square means 9 3 3s are 9 plus 3 3s are 9 into 0 means 0 plus 5 into 0 0 into 5 is 0 0. So the value for this equation is 9. We can solve problems like this. Please visit my channel and watch all the videos for more maths problems. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want these videos in Telugu, then please comment me. I will explain in Telugu also. మీకు ఒకవేళ ఈ వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి, నేను తెలుగులో కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. My next video is on what are like and unlike terms and how to do addition, subtraction and multiplication of an algebraic expression and some related examples.